Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important interview questions which I face myself everywhere in each interview. This is what are the steps to start a new road projects. Yeah, it is generally, it can be asked like for building or other projects, but I will elaborate you, explain you like relevant to roads. So, major step to respond this question, here are some major steps to start a new road projects. Number one, kickoff meeting. What is kickoff meeting? In kickoff meeting, what will be there? Introduction of project team, project goal, background, and why the project started, project scope, project timeline, stakeholder like client, consultant, and contractor. And number two, survey work. When after kickoff meeting, when the project team will be introduced, the project goal and the project timeline and everything. After clarification of these, after awarding the project to contractor, what will do contractor? First, contractor has to obtain benchmark from town planning department, and contractor will fix the project boundary limit. OGL will be taken and a site sitting out will be started. A survey work will be actually contractor and consultant surveyor, both of them will go and they will take survey point, and they will start sitting out its site. After that, what will be going on? Soil investigation, existing soil for testing CBR values and other physical tests like water table should be checked. These things are important, that we know that what kind of soil we have, because later on we will build and we will start construction according to our existing soil. So the next step is soil trenches NOC. NOC would be taken from concerned department, like in Dubai there is DO, Etisalat, Diva, Armed Forces, street lights, irrigation departments, many other departments are there. Environmental department, from there we will take NOC for trial trenches. Once we receive trial trenches NOC, the next step is execution of these trial trenches NOC. Execution of trial trenches to check the existing utilities as per drawing for those services for which NOC already we have. Sometime Etisalat will, telecommunication department, they want to know what is there, what is where is our services, where is their location. So contractor will execute a trial trench and will give all the information. Like here you can see this is a trial trench. Here in the picture you can see this is a trial trench where we execute, and here you can see the black pipe. So you will give all the detail of these trial trenches to the consultant, to the relevant authorities. You can see here the existing cable. Number 6 is mobilization of site office. What does it mean? It means like resources shall be mobilized. Erection or site offices should be established as per the contract requirement. Number 7, safety plan. As we know, human life is precious, so safety is first. No one should be hurt. Contractor should submit safety plan to engineer consultant for their review and approval. So number 8, QA/QC plans. Contractor shall submit quality assurance and quality control plan for engineer review and approval. In every project, contractor having some quality and some quality assurance plan, they will submit this to consultant, and after their review and approval, like the contractor will do their job, their work accordingly. Program of work. The contractor will submit work schedule, program, yani baseline and other supporting documents to engineer within 28 days after the date of notice to proceed. So once the engineer, the client or the consultant give a notice to contractor to proceed with work, after that within 28 days contractor will prepare a baseline and will submit to consultant for their review and approval. So number 10 is construction NOC. As we mentioned earlier that trial trenches NOC. Once we submit trial trenches NOC, on that base the relevant authorities, they will issue construction NOCs. Contractor will take construction NOC from the relevant authority before commencement. It is extremely important that if you are executing any project, like anytime relevant authority can ask, and if you have no construction NOC, or if your NOC is expired, they can fine you. So contractor will also apply for construction NOC, and they will have construction NOC before commencement, before the project start. Number 11, shop drawing or working drawing. Contractor should, so once construction NOC received, then according to this NOC, contractor will prepare shop drawing and will submit these to engineer. Engineer means like consultant, to consultant for their review and approval, so that they start work accordingly. Once we received shop drawing, then what we will do? We will do general clearance. General clearance means removal of waste to ensure that an area is free from any hazard before preparing the land for desired use. Like here you can see, this vehicle are here, and they are like clearing and grubbing the plants and other things, so that we proceed with other steps, like for excavation and backfilling, like this. Number 13, existing services. What does it mean? Existing services is like before we mention in trial trenches NOC, if there is any suppose we have a project somewhere and maybe some services are passing by this area, like maybe we will have potable water pipelines, stormwater pipelines, or sewerage pipelines, or telecommunication cables, electricity cables, fiber optical cables. So if these services are already there, so what we will do with this, how we will deal with these services when we are executing our project? So lowering, protection, relocation with the coordination of concerned authority. It depends on authority. Like if the authority, here was one pipeline, so the pipeline was just very near to the FRL, yani finished road level. In later on videos I will explain like how you will deal with such kind of situation, but for now it is enough because this is just the introduction. So we give the information to concerned authorities, like here is a pipeline, what should we do with this? For this there was no way to lower, yani to to excavate and to bring to take it, like to make it down. And there was no, then as per their, like requirement, so we protected it by concrete slab, as you can see in the picture. So yeah, here is a lowering of existing cable. In our other project there was some cable, so as per the relevant authority, they instruct the contractor to lower the existing cable. So you can see here, like, we are going to lower these cables. Number 14, earthwork. So once we deal with these existing services, once we finish all of these, like NOC, shop drawing, trial trenches, NOC, everything, after that we will start working, like, the first thing, the first job, the first activity is like cutting and filling. The contractor will go to site and will start, like cutting and filling. After that, what is number 15? Yeah, formation preparation. You can see in the picture, like contractor will start, preparation of formation. After formation preparation, what is the next step? Number 16, installation of existing services. Installation of proposed services. Suppose, what does it mean, like installation of proposed services? If there is, street light service, if there is electricity or any pipeline job which is proposed, we have to do it, then we will finish these services for after formation. And installation of future or spare ducts. What does it mean? Yeah, if we are going to construct a road somewhere, usually, it is common, like you can see this is called, like ducts. So we are putting some crossing ducts. Suppose in future, if there is any service or any cable is passing by, crossing the road, so we will not dig the road, we will just, pass those services, those cables, by these ducts. So number 18, after all of these, we will lay granular subbase. As you can see in the picture, in the left side, you can see like subbase, and after subbase we will, like fix curbstone, and we will start working on footpath. You can see in the picture. So here you can see what is like I will explain you all the types of curbstone, all of these things in next video if I found, like a free time. So guys, I will request you, like if you are listening and if you think like this is something useful, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Like nothing will happen with this your subscription to you, but it is something too much for me. It will encourage me, and I will start like working on next lectures. To be honest, like I work very hard to find all materials along theory to make these videos so practical. Like I was able to generate one video, like at side, but like a lot of noise is coming, so it's seems quite difficult. Then I manage, with this picture and theory, I think it will be more beneficial for you people. So number 20, wet mix macadam or aggregate road base. You can see here the road base. After sub base, we will proceed with road base. Number 21. After road base, we will do prime coat. Here you can see we will do like a prime coat spray. So after prime coat spray, next day we will proceed with asphalt base coats. You can see in the picture here like around like 60 80 mm, or as per like the design, as per the requirement, like we will proceed with base course. After base course, what is next step? We will spray tape coat. Here you can see in the picture, like once we finish base coat, so we will do tape coat. Yani after one day we will do tape coat, so that so that a bond between asphalt base course and wearing course should be strong. So number 24, we will proceed with asphalt wearing course. Here you can see in the picture. So number 25, road marking and erection of signboard. Yeah, like in road, here you can see in the picture, like there will be some marks on the road and some signboard beside yani on in the footpath. So we will proceed with this. So our lecture is become finished. So thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share my YouTube channel. See you in next lecture. It was nice with you people. Thank you.